Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is time to unbox Paper Pumpkin. Now this was from January. It's called Hearts for You. Yes, it is a little late, but I've been out of the state taking care of my parents. So if you get my newsletter, you read all about it. But let's see, there's still a couple days left to make some Valentines. So it says, you have my heart. We've got some nice hearts here. Celebrate love. You're my favorite. This has you, so you could put love you. And then a little stem of leaves. We're using real red. I love that they give us everything we need. The block comes in your first Paper Pumpkin subscription, and then you can choose to keep going with the subscription, or you can cancel it anytime, no problem. If you want to save a little bit on your subscription, you can buy them at 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months at a time. And let's go ahead and open this and see what we've got. If you are not subscribed to my newsletter and you want to be, you can get a sneak peek each month at the upcoming Paper Pumpkin to see if it's something you may like. Just go to beautyandthestamper.com and you'll be able to sign up for my newsletter. A little pop-up will occur and you can sign up very easily that way. So it looks like we have some dots here. They're little glue dots, but then look at that. We've got some cute little hearts that are glittery. We have some twine that is real red. We've got some more Stampin' Dimensionals. I am all set with those Stampin' Dimensionals. And then we have 1, 2, 3 of these hearts. So cute. You can use them on your cards. You can use them for scrapbooking. I love that you can make so many alternatives with this. And then these are fun envelopes. How many did they give us? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So we'll probably make 3 different types of cards. 3 of each is what I'm thinking. But these are your envelopes, so you have a spot to write in. And these are card bases, probably 3, I'm assuming. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And of course, my first thing is to just make quick and simple, super sweet, like that. We'll see. I haven't looked yet. And then what's this? We have some more hearts. And they have 3 little white punch-out hearts. And again, I want to stick those right on that red, so red card base. So we've got those 3. And then this is some labels here. We've got 2 pages of them, along with a bunch of hearts, like all hearts. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and then we've got another 9 here. So maybe you use 3 of them per page, or I don't know. Me trying to figure everything out ahead of time. And look at this. We've got what looks to be Flirty Flamingo for 3 new card bases. We've got some more labels. They give us 4. I like that they give you extra because in case you mess up. And then these are pop-out hearts. Just ephemera there. If you are loving like junk journals and scrapbooks and card making, any type of paper crafts, this comes with great ephemera. So they always give you enough that there's some left over. Now this is 3 more card bases just in the basic white. And then we've got, these look to be, yes, they are stickers. And it looks, I was going to say it looks like they're larger and smaller, but no, they are just the one, but this one looks like it's larger and smaller. Yep, we've got a smaller one there, and then the larger one, if you could see, is an outline. And then we've got the word love here a few times. And we have some more heart ephemera. You can use the back side to be white. You could color them any color you want, or you can use the side that they've already colored for you. This is going to be so much fun to make alternatives with because my mind is already going. And then here is where you would fold this up so you could see exactly what your stamp set is. And then you can stick your stamp set in here and organize it however you'd like when the time comes. And now let's see how we're supposed to make the cards. See, nothing like I would have thought. I wouldn't have thought to put this over that heart. Super cute. Oh, and you can use the gold hearts to seal your envelopes if you'd like, or use them on your cards. And nope, not 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, there were 18 of them, so 3 cards. I did math wrong. But look at how pretty that is. So those are some great cards. And then I'm going to try and put some together here. So if you are not yet subscribed to Paper Pumpkin, you again can go to beautyandthestamper.com, click on the Paper Pumpkin link, and it will take you to see more information about that. And then we can put them together if you'd like, and we do alternatives sometimes. It all depends. This first quarter of the year has been a little bit difficult for me, but I am still trying. I'm going to take a tripod back to California with me and keep up with you guys because I sure do miss you beauties. All right, if you want to see more, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye. If you like watching me make something, then subscribe to my channel and hit that